Okay, I have a simple scene here with me. I made it for you guys, and also a bit of explanations if you want to improve your environment scene. So if you know or don't know about volume scatter or mist and extra smoke. Extra smoke is supposed to be 2D smoke. It's an image, so you guys could find smoke PNG on Google and you're gonna find that. And focal length depth of field, it's gonna make your environment scene so much better, like so much cinematic stuff like that. And I'm showing you guys this my scene, just bunch of cubes. I beveled the top of the cubes there, like that's it, like nothing really fancy. Just a simple, like totally simple scene. And I'm using aerial light, also adding sunlight. Why I'm using sunlight? Because I'm not using any HDRI, so if I'm gonna turn it off, just gonna be completely dark. And yeah, that's so much simple, right? And also I'm going to show you guys first what if I'm not putting or using those things into my scene. Just gonna show you guys the first the first part's gonna be like the normal one. So I'm using the normal camera. You guys could see the name on top right there. And normal camera means like I did not edit it, like you guys could see just 50 millimeters. If I'm using the main one, which I edited into 22 millimeters, it makes the scene like so much a bit better. And also adding that depth of field, take a look at the wall on the left side there. If I turn it on, it blurs that thing. It's focusing on that part of my scene that has a light. And adding maze or fog into your scene, oh my god, it's gonna make your scene so much cooler though. Like honestly, add fog or volume scatter. I have two of them, but second one doesn't have fog, so just ignore that. Just ignore that one. And it still look kind of weird, like the proportion or the composition still like what is this? Like you might be still thinking. So you add people. Look at that. Once you add people into your environment scene, it getting that like much logical. The composition's just much better, so you know like how big is the cube, the building stuff. And also you add 2D smoke. Look at that, just 2D smoke. I like really just tons of manipulations. So I imported using image explains from Google. So you guys could see here, smoke PNG, type it and save them and import it, image explains to your Blender scene. And try to, like, if you have like environment, if you have made some environment scene in the past, and you could try to add this kind of 2D smoke like into your scene. Just play with it, and just it gonna make like those environment scenes so much cooler, I guess, because I've tried it. Once I know about these 2D thingies, I literally go into my past project, just edit them in, add this kind of things, and oh my god, I wish I know about this back in the day. And yeah, I tried to play with it, have some variations and duplicate a ton, make tons of it. And remember, when you're trying to render with EEVEE, you guys need to check ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space, motion blur. It's up to you. Color management, look to high contrast. It's all up to you, but I really like high contrast. Like it just makes my scenes much more alive. And usually when I'm trying to render environment, I put the distance all the way high, like 9 meters or 13 meters. But just be careful, like sometimes it could be look ugly. Like really. So yeah, just try to play with it with the amount of numbers there. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching.